Nature is full of mysteries and wonders that never fail to capture the human interest. One among them are these 9 pillars of columns that dazzled the skies of Daisen, Japan in the year of 2024. Now, pause the video here, and if you know how these occurred, comment. These pillars of light, thought to be linked with aliens, are called Isaribi Kochu, meaning fish attracting light pillars, caused by reflections from offshore fishing boat lights off ice crystals in the cold, humid air, creating stunning vertical beams. Subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content.